Hey guys, it's Jordan with WTI. So recently I was in the market for a thermometer gun, and I have been pleased with the KIZEN infrared thermometer gun, Laser Pro LP 300. You just scan, hold. My vents are reading 73.6, it's a little bit warm in here. What I do is I use this not just around the house, but I use it for maintenance of some buildings that I do, and it gives me an accurate air temp reading at the vents. But it can be used for so much more. We've used it when I'm cooking to read my oven temperature because my temperature is definitely off in my oven right now. My daughter uses it on her lizard tanks. We open it up and we're able to shoot this in there at the logs inside, and it gives us a reading of what is inside the tank. And my husband's even used it when he's grilling on his outdoor grill so we can see how hot the grill is. So it's been wonderful. So also it comes with the emissivity table paper. It gives you the material and the listing so you can get an accurate reading of these different materials. Now this is not to be used on humans. I cannot stress that enough. This is not to read your temperature. This is an infrared thermometer gun by KIZEN to be used on different materials around your house or buildings. So when you're ready to get an accurate reading and have an infrared thermometer gun, nope, still too warm in here, look at the KIZEN infrared thermometer gun. And that's my point of view.